once you stop and you start solving, then all those problems by default will be overcome. Where there is a determination, there is a way. You can find ఒక్కసారి మనం అనుకోవాలంటే ఇది నేను చేయబోతున్నాను, then you can see the face. Yes, you have to determine, you have to tell to yourself, I'm going to solve this problem in any case. That's my job, that's my responsibility. I'm going to clear this loan in any case. That's my job, my responsibility. Then you can see the face. Observe very carefully. Getting the point? Are you in the position to understand? Don't run away from the problems. Face the problems. Respect must be required. Freedom must be required, man. One institute owner doing sisu in dustbin. How worst the situation? How worst the situation? Owner, man.
If they are giving a response, we will feel happy, even though they are skipping from months.
Yes, no problem. Just come, meet, sit. Ray, my situation is very horrible. Definitely, I will give you. You know my situation. Please give some time. Or otherwise, even I require to pay 100 rupees to you. Ray, my situation is very horrible. Don't worry. I will definitely give. Today, I have only 1 rupee. Please take. Please take. Definitely, the opposite person is going to take that 1 rupee. Believe me. తెలుగులో సామెత ఉండదు, సచ్చినోడి పెళ్లికి వచ్చిందే కట్నం అని. Have you heard about this?
Yes.
సచ్చినోడి పెళ్లికి వచ్చిందే కట్నం అని ఒక సామెత ఉంటుంది. He already lost hopes about that money, but getting 1 rupee, that 1 rupee is going to feel that 1,000 rupees. Okay, the lender is going to feel that 1,000 rupees, that 1 rupee. Okay, so conclusion, don't run away from the problems. Always sabotage to face the problem. Anything is going to be happen, but I'm going to face this problem. Better to build such a type of mentality, man. Don't run away from the problems.